Greetings. It is January 9th, 2026, and I'm going to see if I can cross the St. John's, where the old crossing used to be from Picolata to Fort Pupo. So the town of Picolata is right up the road here. The crossing, or the actual old fort, probably was up in that area. The graveyard's up in that area. And I'm pretty sure my destination, though I'm going to check once I get out in the water, is that outcropping. All right, I just launched. It's about 11:35, and I'll have to keep my bearings and remember these two docks. It's really shallow here. I'm about 30 feet out from shore. All right, here's where I launched from. With Picolata right up there. All right, I made the crossing. I think that's where the old fort was. I've got to check and pull up maps and see exactly where Bayard Point is. This is all private property now. There's a home there. I'm just gonna kind of go up close to land, respecting the property, and we'll take a closer look. So there's a little outcropping there. This seems to be the main point here. I was told there's still a sandy surface where the fort stood, but I might not be in the exact location, although we'll see here. Ooh, beautiful day. I'm almost back. At least I'm a lot closer than I was. Where's the car at? Somewhere over there. All right, made it. Pretty much.